So here's another step where you want to communicate with your partner, and that's about trimming the top. There's two ways to trim the top. You can either use the clippers or you can use the scissors. So this is option one, using the clippers to trim the top. I'm only holding the attachment because Jim actually doesn't want his hair this short. The longest attachment that comes in my kit is a 25 millimeter 1 inch. And what that tells me is that if I was to cut his hair using the clippers, his hair would be 1 inch tall. But Jim likes longer hair. So if your partner chooses to have you cut their hair with the clippers, you can ask them which they prefer. Then the way that you would do this is you would never ever roll it through the back. That's the big no-no. It'd be way shorter than 1 inch. You want to roll it through the front. So you would start on the forehead and roll it this way, all the way to the back. And then when you get to the crown of the head, you pull off and stop. And then you would just make your way all the way around. And that would give you the length hair that you wanted. So if you want it even shorter than 1 inch, then use the attachment side that corresponds with the length that your partner wants. And that's it for cutting clippers on the top of the head.